Okay, this has to be the easiest way to reassign company owners in HubSpot or Salesforce when someone leaves your org. So check this out. Here I just have a basic import of company fields from HubSpot, and then right now I'm filtering on company owner is empty, so any ones that are missing an AE. I could also say filter on a specific employee who just left the org, for example. And then I want to reassign these out to different AEs, but in a fair way. So I wrote a quick formula to calculate a score. All I'm doing here is assigning points based on company size, open deals, number of contacts in HubSpot, and whether or not the company is based in the US. And now let's just sort based on the score, highest to lowest, so that I can assign the best leads fairly. And I'm just going to write a quick formula here to split them between myself and another AE. Easiest way to do this, let's just say if is odd, we'll take the row number. Then we'll give all the odd rows to Charlie at coefficient, and we'll give all the even rows to myself, Frank at coefficient. Now just drag that down across all my rows. Maybe we add some custom logic. Let's say Johnny speaks French, so we'll give him this lead that's in France. I'll just manually type that one in. I have a little XLOOKUP formula here that's finding the owner ID. And now if I just want to push these changes back to HubSpot, all I have to do is do a simple write back. Basically just saying for each unique company ID, change the company owner to the new ID I set, hit export. We'll just do all rows on the sheet. It's checking HubSpot, see what data changed. So we're updating 308 companies. Sounds good to me. Let's send it. And boom, there we are. Let's double check that Johnny got his new company in France. There we go. That's what I like to see.